Over 900 square feet for how much? You are not going to believe this price. This Bathurst Manor beauty has so many amazing features. Quiet northwest views, beautiful layout, fully updated, and transit at your doorstep. Let me show you around. The foyer opens into an open concept living and dining room. The suite is freshly painted and has newer laminate flooring in the living room and dining room. The kitchen has been updated and features newer stainless steel appliances, ceramic backsplash, and updated hardware. The spacious primary bedroom has a double closet and a full 4-piece ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom is well-sized, has a double closet, large window with shutters, and laminate flooring. One more full bathroom completes the space. Walk out to this beautiful balcony from your dining room. It is perfect for entertaining or watching the sunset. This suite is a special one. Don't miss it.